Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and I am making a series of microwave recipes. Today I will show you how to make a microwave masala peanut. Masala peanut are the peanuts that are coated with masalas or the spices and some Bengal gram flour and then usually deep fried it. But today instead of deep frying it, I am going to show you how we can do it in a microwave as well. So let's get started. Let's make masala for the masala peanut. In a mixing bowl, add 4 tablespoons of Bengal gram flour or besan. Into it add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. This is a grounded powdered fennel seeds. I have roasted the fennel seeds and have powdered them. If you get in the market the ready-made powder, you can definitely use that. But I have roasted and powdered it because it gives a very nice aroma to the dish. So this would be about 1 teaspoon of roasted fennel seeds powder. So let us add this powder to the mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste. Mix all the dry ingredients well. So that the salt and the spices get mixed well and nice. You can also add a pinch of asafoetida powder or hing. Mix again. Now into it add little by little water to get the correct consistency of the batter. So I will be adding water little by little. This is 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it well at the same time. The batter should have the consistency so that it completely coats with the peanuts. So in all I have added 3 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of water. Let us keep this aside. These are some roasted peanuts. I have already shown the video on how to roast the peanut in a microwave in my previous video. You can check out the video here. I'll provide the link below in the description box or somewhere around nearby. And I have removed the skin. Now into this batter we will be adding the roasted peanuts. Mix it well. Mix it well so that the masalas completely coats with the peanut. The masalas have now completely coated with the peanut. Now let us go ahead and place it in a microwave safe dish and microwave them. Into a microwave safe dish, let us add the masala peanuts. Now we will spread it evenly all over. Spread it nicely all over. Whatever remaining masalas you have in the bowl, you just have to scoop it and place it on the peanut which you feel that has not coated well with the masalas. Alright, now the peanuts have spread well and nice, coated very nicely with the masalas. We will go ahead and microwave it on high power for 5 minutes. Right, it's now 5 minutes. Let us take it out of the microwave and give it a nice mix. The peanuts have half cooked. We'll give it a nice mix and then cook it again in the microwave. It's come out very nicely. Now we will turn it the other side. So what I have done is I've taken the entire set of the peanut and turn it over, and then we will cook it on this side as well for 5 minutes. It's now 4 minutes and the delicious aroma has already spread in my kitchen. Let us go ahead and take it out of the microwave. Alright, the masalas have cooked, the peanuts have cooked well and nice. Our masala peanut is now ready. We will go ahead and separate them once it comes to a room temperature. Right, the masala peanuts have cooked well and nice. I have had turned on the other side, and the other side has also cooked well and nice. It has become nice and crispy. So what we will do is, now that it has come to a room temperature, we will break them into small individual pieces. This is so fun. Serving dish. There you go. Masala peanut is now ready to be served. It is very crispy and very tasty. It is also oil free, so you can enjoy it any time of the day. I would prefer to have these masala peanuts with a cup of tea. Well friends, that was crispy, delicious microwave masala peanut for you. I hope you enjoyed this. It tastes the same, it tastes really wonderful, and it is also good for your health since very little oil or no oil is used at all. Well friends, please do give it a try and tell me how it came out. Also do check out my website www.veenaskitchen.com for more recipes. Thanks so much for watching.